Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the sixth lecture related to class 10 physics from first chapter, second part, that is reflection of light. And in today's lecture we will discuss about the rules for image formation by concave lens and also the image formation cases. In case of concave lens, only on two cases we will discuss step by step. Let's see the first concept, that is rules. Refraction of light this is lecture 6. Chapter first, second part. Rules for image formation by concave lens. And here in rules, number 1, when the light ray coming parallel to principal axis, then after refraction goes away, it appears to be coming from focus. Just see the diagram concept here. Very simple diagram concept. This is concave lens, and here this is principal axis. This one is first focus, and this one is second focus. The light ray coming parallel to principal axis, and whenever coming parallel to principal axis, then after refraction appears to be coming from focus and goes away. This is the concept of diagram, and this is incident ray, and this one is principal axis. This one is focus, and here concave lens. Then after first, second rule, when the light ray passes through optical center of the concave lens, when the light ray passes through optical center of the concave lens, then after refraction, goes straight without deviation. Diagram of this one, and just this is figure first for rule first, and just I'm going to draw here for second rule. This is concave lens, and here this one is principal axis, first focus, second focus, optical center, and the light ray that passes through optical center what? See, then goes straight without deviation. This is figure second for rule 2. Concave lens. Concave lens, another name, that is diverging. Here, whenever the light ray is coming parallel, then after reflection what? Away from concave lens. It means diverges in different direction. But this ray appears to be coming from focus. Whenever proceeds back side, then meet at focus. This is the image diagram for rule first, and this one is the image diagram for rule second. Clear? And after rule first and rule second, the third rule, very easy concept, just note down. After first and second, the rule third, that is very easy. Third rule, when the light ray approaching towards focus of concave lens, then after refraction becomes parallel to principal axis, just see the diagram concept. This is concave lens, and here this one is principal axis, and this one is first focus, and this one is second focus, and the light ray either passes through this focus. Whenever it passes through this focus, then after refraction becomes parallel, or whenever approaching toward this focus, then also after refraction becomes parallel. Just see, this is the concept of diagram. Approaching toward this focus, then after refraction becomes parallel to principal axis. Very simple concept. Diagram concept whenever clear, then there is no doubt. Very easy diagram. Whenever the light ray approaching towards focus, then after refraction becomes parallel to principal axis. This is concave lens, and this one incident ray, this one refracted ray, and here optical center. This is first focus, and this one is second focus. Just draw the diagram, very easy. Just see, after the rules for image formation, the two cases in which the image are formed by concave lens. Image formation cases. Image formation cases by concave lens. Number first, and this one number second. First case, when the object lies at finite distance, and second, when the object lies at infinity. When the object lies at finite distance, and in second case, when the object lies at infinity. When the object lies at infinity. In both the cases, we just draw the diagram and everything will be clear. Here, this is concave lens, and this is principal axis. This one is focus. This is optical center. Take focus somewhat distance away, and the object lies at finite distance. This is the focus, and this one here object AB. Two rays taken, one parallel to principal axis, another passes through optical center. Whenever the light ray passes through optical center, then goes straight without deviation. But when the light ray incident parallel to principal axis, then after refraction appears to be coming from what? Focus. In this way, just goes in this way, and here where the light rays intersect, this one is the concept of image. This image is virtual, erect, and smaller than the object size. So three concepts about image. Number first, virtual and erect. Second, formed in between F and C. Formed between F and C. And third concept, smaller than the object. Smaller than the object size. Clear? Very easy concept. Second, this is the concave lens, and here the object lies at infinity. Object lies at infinity. It means two parallel rays are taken. One passes through optical center, another that is also parallel to the first ray. Whenever these two parallel rays taken, then after refraction, this one and this ray appears towards what? Focus, then not appear towards focus, just this is the focus point, this is focus point, first focus, this one is second focus. Then when preceding backside, after reflection, when preceding backside, then the light ray intersect at a common point. This is A dash and this one is B dash. Here the image size is much smaller. Here the object top point A, two parallel rays are taken. Two parallel rays are taken from top point of the object A, and after refraction, when the light ray passes through optical center, then goes straight, but this one diverges in different directions. So when the refracted ray, this one preceding backside, then meet at this point, and at this point the image is formed. This is the focus point. This one is focus point, and the size of image, that is very small. So three concepts about image: virtual and erect, second, formed at focus, and third concept, that is much smaller than the object size. much smaller than the object size. Clear? Here the two cases. Listen again. When the object lies at finite distance, then image in between F and C. In between F and C. And when the object lies at infinity, it means two parallel rays are taken from top point of object, then the image formed at focus. Image formed at focus. Here, very simple concept. You will revise one time, then everything will be clear. Very easy concept. Clear? So that's all for today. Have a nice day.